guess I'm going to say I don't mean that. Should be good. Should be good.
So yeah, today we're going. We're clapping.
No, I think it was already recording.
It's been recording the whole time.
Carry on then.
Thank you. I have to kind of lean. So today we've got another activity planned. We're going kayaking.
Yeah. It's doubles apparently. I'll be with Angel.
Yeah.
I'll be on my own.
No, we're pairing up. Well, we should be pairing up. We go rock climbing, kayaking, snorkeling, and yeah. But I can't bring this big camera out to the sea, so I'm gonna switch to GoPro. So yeah, Mike, catch. Hey. So we're here, evidently. We've cliff jumped so far, and while we're in the water.
Go already on. Go already on.
Come on, Pat.
I was hoping to make my mate go first.
The salt's not nice.
No, not at all. Oh. When you're ready, son. What a guy! Oh man, it's so scary, isn't it? Take a picture for a second. You jump so good.
Damn. Jay's about to have some of it.
But I've ripped my shorts.
Big time,
like Willy out ripped shorts. It's very close to being in
the
these.
laces are undone.
It's great. Hope can't. You got this. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful though. It's fun. I'm having fun. That's all good.
There's a fish there.
It's weird. I went to hold my breath.
He looks over the thing.
Oh, yeah, like you got
like a gun shield.
my dad's putting my snorkel on. Cheers, Tom.
Oh, you are misty. Don't stop breathing through your nose, man.
It's caught recording.
Boy, it's cold.
Okay, you ready?
Let's go back to head.
So we're actually going snorkeling now. It's so surreal. I've never done it before, like ever, and it's so weird how you can just see underwater and breathe. And I know that sounds stupid, but that's how it feels. I'm gonna take you under.
You see all the little fishes?
I didn't see them, no, are they just here? Just there, okay. I just nearly died, man. What the fuck? Oh,
Good on your pipe.
oh, that was disgusting. Disgusting.
Disgusting!
Good on your pipe.
Oh, mate, it must have. It was fucking horrible. I saw the fishes. I saw
Three fishes.
Hey.
Oh, this video is going to be a compilation of us giggling. Yeah, that's nasty, man.
Yeah, that's why I gagged so.
Oh,
It's so incredible though.
that is dirty.
Ignore the fact that I'm topless, but that scene right there is so beautiful, and what a day we've had. That was so mad. It was very eventful. I think I'll talk more about it when I get back, but just that scene is just this sundown going on over the sea, like you can't beat that, can you? So nice.
Yeah, it's recording. We're back at the apartment now. That was a very eventful day. I'm sore all over. Like, kayaking's not easy, not at all. Like, there was no back support, so we was just like, oh, actually no, it weren't. It was very, very tough, but fun. Got to like cliff jump and snorkel and stuff. I felt like we should have had it longer. What a prick. Mike flushing the toilet. I feel like we should have had longer in the bit where we stopped. We weren't there for too long. We was only there for like an hour, weren't we?
Yeah, something like that.
Did you enjoy the day? Did you enjoy the day?
Yes.
Look at
Yeah, it was tiring.
Look at Hopi. Oh. I feel like
Yeah, it was tiring. It was long. It was really nice.
Like I'm so sore all over. It was
It was crazy. Oh my god, my shorts.
Let's get the shorts.
Let's get the shorts. Where are they?
Oh, they're here.
My shorts ripped to fuck. Look at this. Look at this. Like I was getting in the kayak.
Full on crotch.
I got into the kayak and the guy that was helping me and genuinely saw my balls. Like it was just flat out. It was just so there, and that was embarrassing.
Not the size.
Should I put them on now? These were new as well. Fuck you. We have to come back up. Yeah, that's it. That was our day. I showed a Croatian man my penis and went kayaking.
Seen some fish.
And we saw some fish. Cool.